Here I have UMI Super, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device by using the factory mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys and wait until the UMI logo pops up. Right now you can release both keys, and let's wait a couple of seconds until the factory mode pops up in front of you. And the factory mode almost pops up. This is the factory mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing home button. So let's scroll down to highlight clear eMMC and press home button to choose it. Right now the device is formatting itself, the phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. The device is also erasing all passwords from the device, so now let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.